Welcome to the Excel video series of the Department of Business Analytics of the University of New Haven. I'm going to do descriptive statistics today. In fact, I'm going to do 3 videos. This is the first one. I'm going to show you how to import data from a web page in Excel. First, open up a new sheet. Then I'll show you where the data is going to come from. This is the Department of Labor as labor market information. I'm going to highlight the unemployment rate from this column from my hometown. All right, so I copy the web address and go back to the web page, and here in the data tab where it says get data from the web, this is a nice little feature. You're going to put Control F there, bring it up, the web address, the website. And then it says here, check the arrow that highlights the table that we need. And lo and behold, this is right here. We're going to import it. It wants to know where we're going to put it. I'm going to put it over here again. That's all there is. And it brings in the data that we need. All right, let's clean it up a little bit, pretty it up a little bit. Here we have, we're going to center it. We're going to highlight this a little bit bold and underline it, maybe like this. And then for the statistics using the formulas in Excel, you can bring up a formula in a number of ways. I'd like to do it by hitting equals. And then if we're going to find the average, for instance, let's say we want the average unemployment rate. And once you hit average and open parentheses, you can then move with the mouse or with the arrow keys and find the range that you need. In this case, it's all the 166 towns in Connecticut. All right, and for you to navigate to the bottom of this range, you have to sequentially hit the following 3 keys. Sequentially means hold shift down, and then end arrow down sequentially. So shift is holding it down, and down, and then enter. It gives me the average unemployment for the state of Connecticut. All right, I want to do the median. The median is the thing, the formula for median is median. Again, you're going to do the same thing. Arrow down, shift and down, median, and so forth. Standard deviation, let's just label it here, is actually STDEV. We're going to do the same thing. This is a measure of dispersion or statistical distance, as you learned in class. Then I'm going to calculate the range, and for that I need the maximum, the minimum, and I'm going to then create the range, which is the difference between the maximum and the minimum. The maximum is max. Shift and down again. We're going to do the same for min. You see the formula completion feature allows you simply to select from a list. That's quite nice if you don't remember the exact function. And then the range is simply, again, the difference between maximum and minimum, and here equals, commences or starts the formula feature, and then pick out the blinky with the blinky box. You pick out the cell that has the maximum, the figure for maximum, and same for the minimum, and there you have it, folks. Okay, the point was to show you my hometown of Hamden, and then I'm going to pick visually. I'll show you how to do this in a later video using VLOOKUP, but right now I'm just going to pick it up here. This is the town of Hamden right here, and as you can see, our unemployment rate in Hamden is higher than the average for the state of Connecticut. Actually, no, we are 4.2. 4.3. All right, let me just confirm this right here. There's a handy feature here in the formula as it says trace precedence. It shows you where the information is coming from. Just confirming that that is the case. And yes, we are comparable to the state of Connecticut, just about a little below, but we are higher than the average rate for the state of Connecticut. You can see it here. Again, let me just fix this a little bit, the significant digits. In fact, why don't I just do the same here? Reduce the significant digits in this equation, and then also I'm going to center this just so it looks a little more, a little prettier. All right, thank you.